Hello, Rob here from the Flanagan Homestead. Yesterday I got my first ever sheep after nearly 30 years of having goats and really enjoying them. I decided I wanted to get some sheep, and so I picked some up yesterday. And unfortunately I wasn't able to record at the farm that I picked them up at. They requested that I don't record there, and if you're going to someone else's property, obviously honor that and don't do that. But I would have enjoyed it because the gentleman that helped me was a good Christian farmer. I got along with him really well. He was very helpful and giving me suggestions on what to watch for with my sheep and what to do. And also, one of the things you'll see in the video today is how to use a lead rope. And you put it around the neck, but don't tighten it there, but then put it around the under the body and right just behind the legs, and you almost have like a handle. You'll see that and a few other things. So this is unloading the sheep and letting them meet my goats and see how they interact the first day of that. And in the next few days and weeks, you'll probably see several videos of the sheep getting acclimated to my farm and getting them to know me and my goats and my chickens and everything else that's here. The sheep I picked up are a cross between Dorper and Texas Paint. The farm I got them from is much larger than mine, a lot more livestock, so they're not used to personal interaction, so they're comfortable around people but a little skittish if you get too close. So rounding them up and getting them in there, it turned out to be a little bit mud wrestling, so you're going to see some of my sheep are a little bit muddy and dirty, but that's okay. It would have been fun to video there. I would have recorded a lot of the suggestions that he had for me for the sheep, and also because these animals aren't too used to people getting them in the corral and then trying to catch the ones that we wanted and get them in the pickup, there was a few exciting moments. All right, I just got my sheep pulling out. There they are in the back. The plan is I'm going to open this up enough to squeeze through here and grab one. While I'm grabbing one, the others might try to squirt out. Just stand in front of it here.
Shut it back up. Hold it.
Yeah, don't let them get in there, and then when I come out, I'm going to close it behind me.
Okay.
And then I'll come out.
Can I do that by sliding this over?
And even actually, after I get one out, we'll throw the tailgate back on. And this is the one that, oh my goodness, it was a runner.
You guys are going to love it here once you get in there. This is a lot of grass.
Look, I can really get through there. Big old booty with this.
That's probably good. Right. Come on, little one. Look what we got. Okay, you'll be okay. Yeah, get this further back. There. You're going to make it.
There we go. Okay.
Alright.
Alright, here we go.
Think we can leave this alone?
I think they'll be fine.
Okay.
I think they'll be all right was almost famous last words. This video is about 30 seconds after I went over the hill. I didn't even know that the sheep inside the pickup were this excited until I came back and checked what I had recorded on the camera. It's a good thing that we did close the gate and everything tight. Homestead journey. This is the one that he said should be having a baby in a few days. I'm gonna grab her next. Hey, don't jump through my window.
Oh, down, girl.
Tangled.
She's also the one that almost drug him across the farm. This one might be a little more challenging. All right.
Hang up.
This way. Come on.
Go, Mama.
Come on.
That'll go. Got her?
Tying up one of the legs.
okay. That'll be okay. No, I'm just cutting the rest. But I know there's lots of grass. Yeah,
I don't want to choke her right.
yeah. Oh, look at a lot.
Tighten that here.
What about over behind you?
All right, let's go forward.
Come on.
Easy, easy. Here we go.
Okay.
Whoa.
Back to you in a minute.
Gonna need traction on this one.
That's down here. One second.
This is gonna be. This one's pulling hard and I'm probably going down on this hillside. Yeah, we're going there. All right. Hang on. Here we go, big girl. Big girl. So this technique is working pretty well that the guy I bought from. I got the loop around the neck, but I don't want to be dragging on. There's slack there. Then we're going under the legs to create a handle here. I can kind of control which way she's going. Kind of is the emphasis.
There you go. Good, good. Go find your buddy. There's your buddy.
And
Good girl.
there you go.
Good girl. She's like, yeah, there's grass everywhere here. Great. Good.
Now I've got one more up top that's excited because she's by herself.
Yeah. She's gonna want to fall.
Yeah, she'll, if she hears them or sees them, she'll want to run towards them probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys keep calling to each other. Yeah.
It's okay. Calm down. It's okay. Easy. Yeah. Easy. There you go.
She step over it.
Yeah. No, it's gonna be all right. Yeah. Just gotta put your little harness on and it's good. There you go. That'll work. Squeeze out this hole. Hung up this thing. All right, here we go. Come on down.
Yeah, your buddies are this way. Come on.
It's like, where's my buddies at?
Easy now. Your buddies need to call back to you so you know where you're going. Yeah, you're doing good. This is good. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I guess it was open all the time anyway. Yeah. That's cool.
The next one should be behind you.
There they are. Say, wait for me.
Oh,
There you go.
excellent. Well, thank you, gentlemen.
Yeah.
That worked out as good as I could have hoped for. The last one found her way through the hole in the fence, and she's trying to catch up with the other two. There you go.
check on them
Okay. Well, if he
No,
wants
I
to
already
meet,
did that.
if he wants to meet up.
I just got done putting away the sheep hauling stuff, and what is this, half an hour later, 20 minutes later, they're enjoying grazing out here. There's two right there. You can see the back of one just over the hillside. I'm going to encourage them back up to the other paddock so they get used to the goats. Well, here comes the goats to check them out. But I'm going to keep them in the closer pen for a couple days. They still have half an acre in that pasture to work with each other. All things considered, the unloading of the sheep and getting them into the pasture went about as good as I could have hoped for. Pay attention to the channel in the next few days to see how well the sheep and the goats are getting acclimated to each other and the sheep on the new property. And later on today I'm going to pick up a couple more Nigerian dwarf does, so there'll be a few more goats on the farm, and we'll see how well they all come together. Thanks for joining me on the Flanagan Homestead, where Christmas trees are my business, teaching and cleaning horticulture is my job, and outdoor projects are my passion. Hope to see you again soon. Be blessed, everyone.